Are you curious about life in Charlotte, North Carolina? Whether you're relocating for work, family, or just a change of scenery, here are the top 10 things you should know about living in the Queen City. Hey y'all, I'm Jennifer Cornegie, your local real estate expert here in the Charlotte Metro, serving both North and South Carolina. Whether you're buying, selling, or just dreaming right now, this is the perfect place to start. From moving across country to relocating just across town, I've got you covered. Check out the description below and feel free to call, text, email, or even go ahead and schedule your strategy session today. I can't wait to hear from you. And if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Charlotte, North Carolina is one of the fastest growing cities in the United States, and for good reason. With its booming job market, rich culture, and a lifestyle that balances city excitement with Southern charm, it's no wonder why so many people are moving here. If you're thinking about making the Queen City your new home, stick around to learn the 10 things you should know before making that big move. Number 1, cost of living and the affordable yet growing. One of the biggest draws of Charlotte is its overall affordability, especially when it comes to buying a home. Back in 2020, the average home price in the Charlotte Metro was around $310,000. Fast forward to 2025, and that number has climbed up to approximately $415,000. While prices have gone up, Charlotte still offers incredible value compared to many other major cities, especially for the quality of life you get here. And if you're curious about rent, the average monthly cost has increased from $1,200 in 2020 to about $1,400 today. Number 2, cost of living compared to other cities. If you're comparing Charlotte to other cities like Atlanta, Austin, Los Angeles, or even New York City, the cost of living here is noticeably more affordable. In fact, Charlotte sits about 6% below the national average. So whether you're coming from a high-cost area like New York City or Los Angeles, you'll probably find that your money stretches a whole lot further here in Charlotte. Number 3, weather. Mild winters and plenty of sunshine. Let's talk about the weather because let's face it, we all want to know what we're signing up for. Charlotte has mild winters with temperatures rarely dropping below freezing. Snow is infrequent, but possible. In fact, in the past 5 years, Charlotte has only seen measurable snowfall about 6 times, so it's not something you have to worry about too much. But when it does snow, it's usually light and it doesn't last long. Now, even though we don't get much snow, we do tend to close down schools and businesses, which can be frustrating for the transplants. Because let's be real, we don't get it often enough to be fully prepared. It can be a little frustrating for transplants who are used to handling winter weather, but we get it. What Charlotte lacks in snow, it makes up for in sunshine with an average of 213 days per year. It's perfect for outdoor activities all year round. Number 4, traffic. Rush hour is real, but good thing is it's manageable. Like most major metropolitan areas, Charlotte does experience traffic, especially during rush hour. The average commute time here is approximately 24 minutes, which is better than most large cities. If you're coming from a large city like Atlanta or DC, Charlotte's traffic will typically feel less than stressful. But still, make sure to plan your commute accordingly and consider options like carpooling or using the Lynx Light Rail system. Personally, being in real estate with a flexible schedule, I don't deal with heavy congestion, but my best friend who is in an office job always uses Google Maps to avoid the traffic hotspots. Number 5, job opportunities, having a thriving job market and remote work options. Charlotte has a thriving job market with major industries like banking, healthcare, and energy. The city is home for headquarters at Bank of America and Wells Fargo, making it a hub for financial professionals. In fact, Charlotte has the second largest banking sector in the United States after New York. A cool thing is back in 2019, one of my clients moved here from Washington State. The husband worked for Microsoft and was able to work remotely, which gave them the flexibility to pick where they wanted to live. Fast forward a few years, and I actually have since then helped them relocate to Defusky Island, which is a remote island off of South Carolina, all because of the remote work opportunities. So if you're considering relocating to Charlotte, the job market and remote work options could open up doors for you that you never thought were possible. Number 6 is education, excellent schools and colleges. Education is a big deal in Charlotte, and there are plenty of options for families. The public schools are top rated, and Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools is the second largest district in the state. For those looking to pursue higher education, there are numerous universities and colleges in the area, including the University of North Carolina at Charlotte and Queen's University. Plus, many local high schools and homeschool families have access to dual enrollment programs, allowing students to take college-level courses while still in high school, giving them a head start on their education and saving on tuition costs. Not to mention, both North and South Carolina also have some great community colleges that provide affordable and educational opportunities. Number 7, craft beer scene. Charlotte is a beer lover's paradise. If you're a craft beer enthusiast, you're in luck. Charlotte has an impressive craft beer scene with over 40 breweries scattered around the city. Some of the top breweries include the Old Mecklenburg Brewery, which is in South Charlotte. It's most commonly known for its traditional German-style lagers. Sorry guys, I'm not a beer drinker. Sycamore Brewing in South End, offering a variety of creative brews and a lively atmosphere. Noda Brewing Company is in the Noda District, a must-visit for the wide range of award-winning beers. These are just a few examples, but trust me, the Charlotte brewery scene will never disappoint you. Number 8, outdoors, beautiful nature year-round. One of the best things about Charlotte is its proximity. You're roughly 2 hours away from both the mountains and the beach. The climate here is perfect for the year-round outdoor adventures, whether you're hiking in the U.S. National Whitewater Center, strolling around Lake Norman or Lake Wylie, or taking a weekend drive to the mountains near Asheville to enjoy the breathtaking fall colors. Charlotte really offers something for everyone, and I personally love the outdoor opportunities here, especially during the fall season. Number 9, Southern hospitality with a modern twist. Charlotte is known for its Southern hospitality, but don't let that fool you. This city is modern and forward-thinking. While you'll be greeted with a warm smile and a kind "how do you do" or even a howdy from just about everyone you meet, Charlotte also has a thriving arts and culture scene, plus innovative tech and business environments that make it both a city for young professionals and families. Number 10, the future, growth and exciting opportunities. Charlotte is growing at an incredible rate, and the city's future is incredibly bright. With new businesses coming in, more development happening in the suburbs, and a rapid expanding population, Charlotte is becoming one of the most sought-after cities in the United States. In fact, about 133 people move to Charlotte every day. Whether you're in banking, technology, healthcare, or the arts, the opportunities here are endless. Charlotte is a city that truly offers something for everyone, from its affordable cost of living to its booming job market, rich history, and vibrant culture. It's no surprise that more and more people are choosing to call this city home. If you're thinking about making the move to Charlotte, I hope that these 10 things give you a better understanding of what life here is really like. If you have questions or want to learn more about Charlotte, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and living in Charlotte and making the most of your relocation journey. Thanks for watching.